Many factories are fully equipped, ICT-FCT, flying probe, all in place. Yet customer complaints haven't decreased at all. The problem may not be the equipment. 90% of factories fall into the same trap, over-relying on testing equipment while ignoring process control. What are ICT-FCT and flying probe at their core? They are filters, not error-proofing tools. ICT checks parameters and electrical connections. Flying probe, fixtureless electrical test. FCT validates functionality. But here is the issue. If defects already exist, testing only detects them, it doesn't prevent them. Many customer complaints are not caused by testing, but by solder paste misalignment, poor SPI control, unstable reflow temperature profiles, incoming material issues, IQC misses, excessive BGA voiding, lack of standardized process windows. No matter how advanced the equipment is, it only alarms after the fact. Many factories have a misconception. We have ICT, so quality must be guaranteed. But the reality is, test coverage does not equal 100%. Test programs can have blind spots. Functional tests don't guarantee long-term reliability. The result: the product passes tests but fails in the field. Truly stable factories focus on 3 things: front-end prevention, DFM, DFT reviews, process control, SPI plus AUI plus X-ray plus MES traceability. Closed-loop process issue gives analysis, gives optimization, gives standardization. Equipment is just a tool. System capability is the real moat. So you'll notice, third-tier factories compete on price, second-tier factories compete on equipment, first-tier factories compete on systems. Do you think the problem lies in equipment or management? Share your thoughts in the comments.